Hi, hello mga ka-channel. I'm Profbanie and welcome sa ating online classroom tutorial. So this is the part 2 ng ating series tutorial regarding dito sa C++ programming. So pag-uusapan natin, ano nga ba yung tinatawag natin na C++ comments. Okay? Pero bago lahat, nais ko muna magpapasalamat sa lahat ng mga viewers, lahat ng mga nag-likes and shares, and lalong-lalo na sa mga nag-subscribe. So, malaking tulong yan para mas ganahan pa tayo na mag-create ng mas maraming content about educational. Okay? So, shoutout ko lahat ng mga students ng Systems Plus Computer College. Okay? So, let's get started. Okay, so nag-open tayo ng ating Dev C++ programming language. So let's have our new document. So dito, mag-create muna tayo ng program. No? Hashtag include. Okay, so dito sa gitna, maglalagay tayo ng IO stream. So ito yung ginawa natin sa ating part 1. Ano? So na-discuss na natin ano nga ba yung include IO stream, ano yung using namespace, ano yung mga cout ins. Yan. Okay? So using, okay, so name, space, namespace, std, followed by the semicolon, and we have the end, main, open and close. Okay? Then, so mag-create tayo ng ating tinatawag natin na open and close curly braces or brackets. So, between this, maglalagay tayo ng cout. Okay? So, cout. So, download by double. Okay? Then, maglalagay tayo ng tinatawag natin na output. Ano? So, welcome to my world. Welcome to my classroom tutorials. Okay? So, then syempre, laging mag-i-end yan with the semicolon. Okay, then, kailangan natin siya laging i-save, execute, compile, and run. So, maglalagay tayo ng ating welcome.c++. Then, we have to save. So, execute, then run. So, welcome to my classroom tutorial. So, doon sa ating first tutorial, maglalagay tayo ng double, ano? So, copy. So, pwede natin siya ilalagay din dito. Then, okay, so, paste. So, ilalagay lang natin halimbawa, PSIT, okay, Department 2024. So, para magkaroon siya ng create ng new line, dito maglalagay tayo ng backslash n. Okay, so backspace. So, ulit tayo ng backslash n. Then again, execute, compile, then execute, run, para mag-create tayo ng another new line. So, halimbawa, dito sa cout, maglalagay tayo ng double slash. Okay, so, this is a comment. So, comment lang yan, ano?
In C++, comments are used to annotate code with information that is meant for human readers and is ignored by the compiler during the compilation process. Comments are helpful for documenting code, explaining its functionality, and making it more understandable. There are two main types of single-line comments. Single-line comments start with two forward slashes, closing parenthesis. Everything following on that line is treated as a comment and is ignored by the compiler. Multi-line comments start with per and end with asterisk slash. Everything between per and is treated as a comment.
So, once na i-run natin yung program, execute, compile, execute, run, still, babasahin pa rin yan, no? Pero kung halimbawa, inalis natin yung double slash, so, ang mangyari dyan, execute, compile, then magkaroon siya ng error. Kaya, ito yung tinatawag natin na slash, no? Okay? So, pag sinabi natin comments, can be used to explain C++ code and to make it more readable. So, it can also be used to prevent execution when testing alternative codes. So, comments can be in a single line or the multi-line. So, pag sinabi natin single line comment, start with two forward slashes. So, any text between these double slashes and the end of the line is ignored by the compiler. So, hindi niya i-execute na will not be executed. So, yan yung example natin, di ba? And another one, so, halimbawa, erase natin siya. Okay, so, dito tayo maglalagay, ano? So, double slash. Okay, so, this is a comment. Comments, di ba? So, again, execute, compile, and execute, run. Still, babasahin niya. Pero pag inalis natin yung double slash, itong double slash, so mangyari yun, magkakaroon siya ng error. Okay? So that is for the single line comments na ilalagay natin. Okay, so next tayo. Okay, so then next, yung tinatawag natin na multi-line. Okay, so dito tayo maglalagay, for example, multi-line. Start with the slash, then asterisk. Okay, so this is a comment. Just to know, no, about basic programming. Okay, about the basic programming. Okay, and C++. Then, tsaka tayo maglalagay ng asterisk slash. Okay, so once na execute, compile and run, then execute, again, run. Still, babasahin pa rin niya. Kasi in-apply lang natin yung asterisk, slash asterisk, then we have the asterisk slash. Pero, once na inalis natin to, no, mangyari dyan, execute, compile, then magkakaroon siya ng error. Kasi, nagiging part siya ng programming. Nagiging part siya ng ating execution dito, no? So, ibig sabihin yan, magkakaroon siya ng error. So, pwede natin siya lagyan ng double slash, then again, execute, compile, then dito sa dulo, double slash, ano mangyayari? Execute, compile, so same error. So, ngayon, ang gagawin natin yan, slash, asterisk, then sa dulo, asterisk, and slash. Then, execute, compile, then execute, run. Okay? So, that's it. Ganun lang ka-simple on how to use the C++ comment. Okay? So, thank you for watching. See you on my next tutorial. So, bye-bye.